Hey everyone, this is Nilesh, and today is the day two of the One Funnel Away challenge. And in this video, I am going to share about the flagship framework. So, the one thing that I start from this video, people spend more money for the same pack framework package in a different way. People spend more money for the same framework package in a different way. So, as in my previous video I share about the core result, ultimate result, splinter result, and all over the overview about the fun funnel away challenge. So and to the core result is the something to achieve the ultimate result. To achieve our ultimate result, one thing which is the core result, and from to achieve the core result we are built our splinter result. We teach our splinter result, we build our splinter result. And to achieve, to build this splinter result, we are build our, we create our from this splinter result we found build a sexiest framework. We choose a sexiest framework so we can build our flagship framework on all of behind of that. So I just quickly share my screen, so I share the example with all of you. Just a second. So here is my screen on the way. So the core result. So yes, my screen is on the way on here. So yeah, you can see the. So here is the our flagship framework, and all those splinter ultimate result. Here is ultimate result. To achieve this ultimate result we build a core result, and from this core result, to achieve this core result we build splinter result. And so from this splinter result we choose a sexiest framework out of this splinter result, and from this sexiest framework we build our flagship framework. So let's get started. Just a second. So here is on my screen on the way. So yeah, here you can see the who are dream customers, and he want a big result, a core result. And to achieve this core result we are built all those step by step process. All those are splinter result, you can call splinter result, you can call sub framework, everything we can say. So it is all the sub framework splinter results, and from this sub framework we choose one of the sexiest framework from all those sub framework. Step 1, step 2, step 3, to achieve the core result we built all those step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, maybe more than. And out of all those sub frameworks splinter result we choose one of the sexiest framework. Let's suppose it is the step 2 is my sexiest framework, right? And from the so we choose this splinter sub framework, and then pick any sub framework and teach in a different way. So we select the framework and then we teach this framework in a different way. So it is our, you can call it is our framework. So here first thing we choose this framework. So how we can teach this framework more, because of the most of the people, many of the people are teach same thing in so many different ways. So how they can teach, they teach in this format, in this way. So here they first build 5-minute framework, 5-minute video, YouTube video. It is a for free 5-minute YouTube video. Then they build 1 hour framework, 1 hour version. Out of the 5-minute video, all those they just give overview of the video. They just give all the overview in the video. Then they teach 1 hour. Then they teach this 5-minute version in 1 hour version. The main points they are teach in this 5-minute framework. Then they all those pointers, all those framework pointers teach in the 1 hour framework. So every pointer they maybe teach in the 10 minutes of 10 minutes of version. So they build 1 hour version from out of the 1 hour version they build 6 hour version. So the module 1 they create module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5. So all those the one, 1 hour, every version is the 1 hour. So in the they teach the thing that teach in 1 hour version they build, they describe it more in this 6 hour version, 6 hour module. They describe it in more and more high deeply things. So it is maybe 97 to 97. The 1 hour version is the $7 version, $7 price. Then this is the $97. Then the last thing is the do done for done with you, done for you version. So it is maybe $1,000. So it is the one thing that yesterday we also know, do it yourself. It is the version that do it yourself. Then it is the done with you. The 6 hour module is done with you version, and the last upsell OTO is the done for you. So it you can build your flexi framework in this way. Then after the build of this all those flexi framework, how we can teach this framework, how we can teach all those framework. So for that, yeah, here you can see the splinter result framework and max sexy framework. Just here my laptop's lagging so much, so just a second. Yeah. So yeah, here we can build our framework. Then the next question is arrive how to teach your framework. Yeah. So you build, we build our framework. It is our framework, but how you can teach this framework? Because most of the time when Russell Brunson go to teach to the audiences, to the people, everyone is going and fall in sleep. Like Russell Brunson spent so much of time to understand the things, and while he was teach to other, everyone are going to fall into sleep, and they doesn't give any response. They doesn't give any response to him. So he feel that maybe I am feel sharing something wrong or what, maybe I said something wrong or what. So he feel disappointed, and while he share this thing, while he teach his framework, so he understand the concept how to teach the framework. He understand the concept how to teach the framework in a proper way. So how you can teach the framework. So now the thing is the how you can teach the framework. So here you can see how you teach the framework. So yeah. So you can teach your framework in this way. How you learn, and how you earn. So I am learned from this challenge, and while I go through this courses, I face this much challenges. I face this all those story. You can teach your story how you learn in this framework. Then the next is the strategy. Strategy is the story that overall part where we go, how we started our, how we reach this point, how we are doing all those and everything like that. Strategy part. Then the tactics. Tactics is like the here you can see the third point is the tactics. Tactics is like the step by step process, how it works, how things are works according to uh, and any business, and how all those things are step by step process you can teach. Then the fourth is the case study. You can, if you teach your framework in this way, I learned, how I learned, how I earned, then what the strategies, then the tactics, then the case study. If we teach our framework in this way, then the user, the audiences who are watching us, they get more interest, they get more interest to learn from us. So teach your framework in this way, in this format. Then the list out of all the framework. Then next step is the last step. How do I teach? Because most of the people think how I teach my framework. And the last step is the how I teach my framework, because the most of the thing are I'm not good in this all those thing on those technical thing, and nothing like that. So how I teach my framework? So he shared that you can share your teach get camera. You have your phone, you can record your course and start record your course and teach in this in your phone. So you can do the, hey, my name is Nilesh Jain, and I will build this course out of from this on this behalf on everything like that. You can build and your record in your camera in your because Rachel Pedersen, tell that Rachel Pedersen create his 6 module course in his iPhone, record his 6 module course in his iPhone. So you can do, you can build your course in this, you can teach your framework in this way. You can record all your in your camera. So the teach get camera and record it, right? First thing is that you can do it with your phone. You can record in your screen. Then the third is the slides. Create your like I just share the slide of my PPT, and I share all those dumbbell, all those yeah, you can say that all those diagrams and dumbly and the things. So I share all those dumbly in with you. So it is you called it is a presentation. It is in the presentation format. So it is the thing. Create slides and record your screen. You can do it with your phone. You teach your friends and family, and also fix the camera to record it. All those the 3 steps. How do I teach? First, teach your friends and family, and also fix the camera and record to it. And the second step, you can do it with your phone. The third step, create slides and record your screen. So it is the all everything that you can with this help you can build your flagship framework. With that build you build your flagship framework, because the entire funnel is based on around the flagship framework. The entire funnel is based around the flagship framework, and the our all those ultimate result, core result, and splinter result, we our dream customers, everyone is come from this flagship framework, and we divide it into sub framework and to achieve the our core result, to achieve our ultimate result. So you can build your flagship framework in this way to achieve your result, to achieve your main result. So that is the thing about the OFA day 2 summary. That is the one funnel away challenge day 2 summary all about. And hope you like it. And if you are watching it live, so please put hashtag live, and watching it replay, so please put hashtag replay. And thanks for joining and jumping live. Thank you so much.